You will need a cut kit to make these fabricated panels. Cut kits include 13 crimp plates and colored caulk to coordinate with the aLL-Pro corner. Check the label on the cut kit box to make sure you have the correct kit for the aLL-Pro corner you are installing. To make a cut panel, there are 4 easy steps: measure, cut, crimp, and caulk. The first step to make a cut panel is measure. For this, measure precisely from the installation line on the left panel or corner to the edge of the nailing flange on the right. This measurement is the exact size of the cut panel required. On this job, the final measurement for the cut panel is 16¼ inches. The next step to make a cut panel is cut. You will use 1 full TandoStone panel for a cut panel. Start by cutting through the full panel at 9 inches from the left side of the nailing flange. Using the final measurement of the required cut panel, subtract 9 inches to determine the size of the remaining piece of cut panel you will need. In this instance, because you will need a cut panel of 16¼ inches, subtract the 9 inches we cut from the left side for the first piece. We will need a second piece that is 7¼ inches. Measure for the second piece from the installation line on the right side of the nailing flange. In this instance, we will mark and cut to the 7¼ inch needed. The second piece of the 7¼ inch will be combined with the first piece of 9 inch to make a cut panel that is 16¼ inches. After cutting both pieces from the cut panel, the middle section of the TandoStone panel will be discarded. Step 3 in making a cut panel is crimp. Now that you have 2 pieces for a cut panel, double-check the measurements are correct. Once confirmed, place the pieces face down on a smooth, flat surface, butting the cut edges together tightly. While holding the pieces together firmly, set crimp plates from the cut kit across each of the 3 horizontal ribs. The crimp plates should overlap the cut pieces as equally as possible. Next, use a crimping tool to secure the crimp plates in place. Standard pliers will also work. Always ensure that the crimp plates lie flat over the rib. If a spine prevents a crimp plate from lying flat, snip a portion of the spine to allow the crimp plate to lie flat. The final step to make a cut panel is caulk. After crimping, there will be a seam between the 2 pieces. To ensure the seam is filled, use the color-matched caulk supplied in the cut kit. To do this, use a caulk gun to apply at least a 3/8 inch bead of caulk along the seam of the back, ensuring any openings are filled. If caulk squeezes through the front of the panel, gently push it back from the front. The cut panel can be installed right after the caulk is applied, and the caulk will remain malleable for up to 24 hours. Your cut panel is now ready for installation. To finish the row, install the cut panel you just made. To do this, remove the aLL-Pro corner that was temporarily fastened on the right side. Next, install the cut panel and fasten it into place. To secure the cut panel, nail 2 fasteners flush on either side of the seam. Disregard any pre-marked center hole on the cut panel. Continue fastening the cut panel as you would any stacked stone panel, with no more than 8 inches between fasteners. And always remember the lateral nailing slot on the right side. Complete the row by reinstalling and fastening the aLL-Pro corner in place according to proper fastening guidelines. Repeat this process for each subsequent course of TandoStone and the aLL-Pro corner on this elevation. Remember to alternate A and B aLL-Pro corners on each course.